Hey yo, welcome back guys. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how to make $100 in 24 hours, alright? On this app called Step. First of all, you're gonna need to download the app. I'm gonna show you guys in one sec, but before I get started, I just wanna thank you guys for all the support lately. I've been doing really good. My last two videos got like 3K and 1K right there, and I got like 16 subs from it. So if you haven't already subbed, just sub so I can get to 700. And yeah, let's get into the video. So what you need is you literally wanna, it's the app right here, Step. All right, you wanna download that. You wanna just log in, do what it tells you. You have to invite one person and you get $1. So if you invite 100 people, you get $100, and the other person gets $1 as well. So you can just invite even random people and just tell them to do it. And yeah, it's that simple. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys proof in some days of me getting like a lot of more money, because I just started, and but I haven't did it yet because I barely have any time. So yeah, if this really helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm almost at 700. Peace out.